Okay, what's up, guys? Oh, that was kind of bad. What's up, guys? It's your girl Evanah here, back at it with another video for you guys. But today, I'm going to have my sister here. Her name's Imani, and she's going to be doing my makeup. So, let's see how this goes. We had some issues with the camera. I'm just going to let you know. So, my eyebrows are already done. I think she did a pretty good job with them. But now we're just going to continue on with the makeup tutorial.
Okay.
I feel like I'm those people that make really dramatic faces on camera.
Yeah, you actually do. You move your eyebrows with your face, like when you're with your face expressions.
Sorry, guys, for my face.
Turn, kind of like, come, get off really fast. I'm gonna scooch you. I'm not gonna change. Just kind of trying to angle you more.
Okay. But like, when I checked, you were really in there, so.
Turn, I think like, kind of like.
Oh, because I'm like this?
Yeah, like,
okay,
kind of like face the camera, but like,
you're right.
You're like kind of like straight. That's why it's hard. Okay, this smell funny?
Did it smell funny? You sniffed it. It smells like old water.
I know, it does.
I got a washcloth.
I need to get a new one. I just need to get a new one.
Well, yours is like stronger. But I think it's because you use yours more.
Like this. Yeah, I use mine like every day. So like literally every day.
So I heard that the secret is in the padding when you're doing your makeup.
Like, you have to ignore it, cause like, look, I ignore it all the time. Like, I used to hate when people like just go on their eyelids on makeup.
Me too.
But like when you wear lashes, it doesn't matter.
You have to.
Yeah, like when I didn't wear lashes, I didn't do that because you're go like that.
So the secret is in the padding. I heard the more you pat, the better the makeup looks. Is that true or false?
I think so, cause it's like the blending, like
The blending
the
out.
whole point, yeah.
I think that's the part I miss when I do my makeup. I don't, cause Ariel was doing her makeup, or my best friend Ariel, she was doing her makeup, and we were doing this for Halloween, and she was patting really well. She had a good patting, but
She had a good patting.
But for me, I don't pat. I skip the patting part because I'm just impatient, and so I feel like that's why my foundation game is not so good, and I don't like to put makeup on my eyelids.
Yeah, I used to be the same way, but look, no, my eyelids turn really pink though.
When you
my eyelids are pink. Like,
you're
naturally
right,
pink.
they are.
So when I don't do that, like I didn't realize that, because some people be like, "Do you have eyeshadow?" And I'm like, "No, I don't have eyeshadow." Like a lot of people say that all the time. Sorry.
Like, no, yeah, I noticed that with your eyelids too.
Yeah.
If you don't put foundation on them.
Yeah, it's like really pink, like really, really pink. Sorry, what are you doing?
I don't know. I think it's like a shock or a scare. So do you have any makeup tips for people who don't know how to do their makeup?
Honestly, like I'm not really a professional, so it's not like not professional, but like.
You do your makeup pretty good though. People always tell me.
That I do?
Yeah. Like me and Ariel was talking about you, and we were like,
oh. I don't know. Like I guess it's just key is just blending. I guess I'm still struggling to find a foundation that matches my face completely. Like it may look like it matches now, but like sometimes I kind of just notice. It just depends, I guess. I don't have like an angle brush, like the brushes that are like kind of skinny, so I have to like pinch it. That's one thing. Like I think I'm really good at makeup, but I think I actually need professional stuff, like
professional
brushes, like some tools. Like I think I'm getting to that point where I know makeup and I need to kind of like move on and get some new stuff, you know?
Yeah. I see a lot of YouTubers using the Bobbi Brown foundation.
I see a lot of people using NARS. Don't Gabby.
Oh yeah, I have seen people use NARS.
I see like a lot of people using NARS, but
and a lot of people they use that concealer we use from the beauty supply store.
I want to get the NARS in the Tarte shape. The Tarte shape, whatever it's called.
Tarte. I don't actually know. I know there's like the Tarte that there's a brand called Tarte, and they apparently have good concealer, but I didn't really like it that much.
The concealer?
Yeah, like in this, like it has a.
That's what I want, the Tarte shape concealer. I remember you had it.
Because if your skin is not healthy, it kind of just lays weirdly. I mean, it depends on what state it gets to. Like, but if I'm doing horrible, sometimes it lays. Compared to when I'm drinking a lot of water, it just lays so nicely. Is it the same with you?
Wait, what?
Like, say you decide to start drinking a lot of water and, like, at least trying.
No, yes. Everything just lays better is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Very. No, I totally agree with that. Before I put the lashes on, I'd be like, oh, whoa, this looks so ugly. And then
Yeah, you gotta put the lashes on and then it just looks so much better. Makeup is actually way longer than you think. Like, you think you're not spending that much time until you try to time yourself and you realize how much time you spent.
No, every time I can't brush makeup. If I like have to go somewhere and like someone's like, okay, come on, I'm outside, my makeup is not bad. Like I realize that.
Your makeup is bad?
Yeah, it's bad.
Like right now?
No, I'm saying if I'm rushing.
Oh. See, that's an example of a slow moment. You have to have a good set of lashes, good foundation or skin coverage or whatever, and then eyebrows.
Oh, yes. Eyebrows to me, too.
Because sometimes you can just have foundation and eyebrows and it look okay because it depends on how you do the foundation. Like, if you just do concealer, then... Okay, so now we're about to put on the lashes. How long did it take you to learn how to do your lashes?
Honestly, I can't remember when the first time I put lashes on. Ooh, so nice.
Ooh.
If I left it like a little.
Have you ever seen someone's lashes and their other lashes are poking out?
Like, no, not really.
You didn't have to push that hard.
No, I'm sorry. No, I wasn't trying.
Okay, so the camera stopped and she did the concealer on both sides after she put on my lashes. So that's where we're at so far. But to me, she's doing a good job. Give this video a thumbs up if you think so as well.
I'm putting more because like I always double it. It's kind of bad to do that, I think.
I don't think so.
But like I just like matte.
Because some people do too. I wish I was going somewhere with this. I'm not going anywhere. I guess it's time for selfies.
Just do that, the under eyes.
I can't believe you don't do some lip gloss. I'm into lip liners now. I mean, not lip liners, like a natural ruby color. Like, you know how you said you like your lips naturally red?
Mm-hmm.
I like to do that. I like to do a slight, and then I'll put lip gloss on top of it. Like, I'll line my lips with the natural color, but I gotta find a good one.
Like, when I do makeup, I rerun a lot. Like, I go back over stuff like, oh, it's a hair in your nose. I go back over stuff like a lot. Like, I'll go back over eyebrows. No, your eyebrows are fine, but like on me, like I rerun a lot. Like I go back over stuff. And
ooh, child, things are gonna get easier.
And then I do highlight.
I really need to do this because this is a look. Like, I need to do something about this. I really have been wanting to actually know how to put lashes. Just so I can do a simple, like, I can do my normal natural makeup look. But just step it up a notch. For the Insta pics.
I want to do your edges. I don't know why.
That's what I was going to say. If you want to with these, you can do the whole look.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is just me, but do you ever, whenever you're not going through something, whatever mood you feel, sometimes a song that relates to whatever you're feeling pops into your head?
No.
That happens to me too much. Ooh, child. Now she's doing my edges, and I don't know how to do edges either. This is why you don't ever see makeup tutorials on my channel, because why would I teach you how to do makeup I don't even know how to do? So now we're going to be putting on my lip gloss. This is the finale to everything I do. Lip gloss or some ruby red, like not ruby red, but a burgundy lip gloss in order to...
Go like this. That, right there, yeah.
That's where the lip liner was.
Yeah.
And so this is the finished look. Come closer.
I'm in the camera.
So How do you think she did? And she did my edges, guys. I never do my edges. Oh my goodness. I am so shook. Like, I really need to step up my eyelash game. At least my eyelash game. And my eyebrow game. I don't know how. I need to get a pencil, I think, instead of using powder.
Yes, pencil, you can trace exactly. I feel like, I need to get I feel like I don't know. It just depends.
What do y'all think? She did a good job, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sorry.
Okay.
But this is my makeup, guys. I just need to step up my eyelash game. I really want to wear eyelashes, but I don't know how to put them on. And I heard it takes a long time to really get it down. But anyways, if my sister makes a page, I'll put it down below. So you can put her makeup work down there if you just want to follow her or subscribe, whatever she does. Yeah. But before we end this video, you already know the deal. Please make sure to like and subscribe to your girl's channel.